Hey Cougs, happy Valentine's Week. I'm Raphael, giving you all the updates on everything happening on campus this week. On Monday, February 12th, from 10 a.m., stop by Teaching Unit 2, Room 117, to learn more about the Gilman Scholarship and how you can earn up to $5,000 in funding for your Learning Abroad program. Eligibility, application processes, essays, and more will be discussed on Microsoft Teams. Register and receive the Microsoft Teams link from the description below. Stop by the Learning Abroad tent at Butler Plaza on Wednesday, February 14th for Learning Abroad themed Valentine's gifts and candy to learn more about how you can learn abroad. This event will take place from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. Sharpen your scholarship applications and essays by attending the Scholarship Writing Workshop on Tuesday, February 13th from 11 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. Bring your essay drafts and receive advice from advisors to produce the best application for scholarships like the Gilman Fund for Education Abroad, IES International Education Scholarship, and more. This event will take place in person in Teaching Unit 2, Room 117, and virtually on Microsoft Teams. To register, click the link in the description below. This week is Love Everybody Week, Cougs. Join the Campus Recreation and Wellness Center for a free week-long celebration of love. Love yourself, love your classmates, love everybody during Love Everybody Week. There will be many events taking place this week, so please check out the link in the description below to see the times, locations, and dates of all Love Everybody Week events. The MLK Junior Barbecue is an annual cookout hosted by the Ada Mu chapter of Alpha Phi Alpha Fraternity Incorporated to celebrate the works of their fraternity brother, Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Stop by the Student Center South from 12 a.m. to noon on Saturday, February 17th for food, drinks, and games. The Beach Bod workout program will take place Mondays and Wednesdays from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. starting this week until March 8th. The purpose of this program is to celebrate the beauty in everybody. In this empowering workout program designed for all fitness levels, Beach Bod focuses not only on the physical strength and endurance, but also on fostering a positive mindset about one's body. Join us in creating a supportive community that celebrates the diversity of bodies, encouraging each participant to feel confident, empowered, and ready to hit the beach with pride. Because at Beach Bod, everybody is a beach body. To join Beach Bod, register through myrec.uh.edu or through the UHREC app by February 11th. Throughout the school year, Counseling and Psychological Services will be hosting anxiety skills workshops. These workshops will help you understand and implement some of the latest strategies for preventing and managing anxiety to live a more calm and balanced life. This week's workshops on Monday, February 12th, focuses on mindful coping and will take place virtually on Microsoft Teams from noon to 1 p.m. To register for this workshop, please call CAPS at 713-743-5454 or stop by their office at Health Building 2, Room 2005 from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Don't forget to keep up with our UH men's basketball team as they progress further and further through Big 12. Go Cougs! Now it's time for a weekly wellness tip. With different classes and work hours every day, it can be hard to stick to a consistent sleep schedule. But keeping sleep time similar from day to day can greatly improve your chances of getting a good night's sleep and helps create structure in your life. That's all for this week, Cougs. We'll be back next week to keep you in the loop. Bye.